Sometimes when we send things out from our gear website store, we like to say thank you. Here we go.
R&L displays are firearms displays that you can put your rifles or pistols on. They're made in New York. They're handmade. They're made by friends of ours who hang out in the live conversations here on YouTube. And it's something I've been watching their product line evolve and paying attention to their store and the project grow. So one of the things I've been wanting to work on for a while is a way to collaborate with R&L. And recently, Guns and Barbecue had a giveaway, and that gave me an opportunity to come up with something. So let's talk about it. R&L Displays makes handgun displays and rifle displays. Their handgun display is made out of wood, and it's actually a little bit bigger than this one. But this is a 3D version that we came up with the idea for after SHOT Show coming out with all of these little gun keychains. And I thought, oh yeah, making a little version of the R&L display would be pretty cool. So during one of the live conversations hosted by Gizzard or Barbecue or somebody, was working on coming up with the measurements and the drawings for this concept. So first I needed to figure out how big to make it. So I went around looking on the website and different people who've done reviews of their displays to get an idea of what the proportions, what the size should be, and then went to work in the editing software to create or emulate that concept. So I don't think I came up with it true to scale, and that has to do with the little toy keychain guns I'm using being different sizes and not really having a great picture to go from. But I think the point gets across here. Then it gave me enough room to get R&L displays written on it, which isn't really, true to the real displays, but it lets the miniature makes it clear who the miniature is designed after. So went into Fusion 360, that's the 3D software here. Once we had a pretty good idea of what I wanted it to look like, brought it into some other software which could pipe it into the printer, and came out with a couple of different versions. These are in sort of a gold color that Foss sent me a while back. It's actually a multicolor spool, but there was a section here where it was printing out gold. So I made a couple of different gold versions. I made a couple of different red versions. And then I made a whole bunch of white versions. So we had a barbecue offered a prizes for people that participated in the diaper party for guns for Gunpowder Beauty, and two people won that giveaway. So I figured I would send a little display to the winners. So the gold versions of these little displays went to Barbecue and to Gunpowder Beauty and to Woods, the people that won the Diaper Party giveaway. And then I also sent them the red ones and a white one also, so they have a couple to play with, and they can give them away, do whatever they want with them. Then I gave a couple to Barbecue. Thanks for hosting the live conversations with a focus on Second Amendment, for doing things like this to keep people aware and interested in the community out there, and then a way to play around with the people that already have displays from R&L Displays. All right, so with all that, we ended up shipping these things out. We have a couple of extra. We'll get with Rob and find out some way we can play with those. But this is a way to focus on the community, to say thanks to the people who helped out Gunpowder Beauty and the little baby, and to say thanks in a way that also tips a hat to our friend R&L Displays. Let us know in the comments what you think, and until next time, thank you for your support, and thank you for watching. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org.
Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals at gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.